Here she is.
Sakura, look. This is how you play with it. Look, Sakura. Who is that? Can you speak?
You let her do it, Chrissy. See, I think you taught her how to do it.
Did. Okay, that one's longer.
Well, she's reaching.
Okay, I want to make this thing shorter.
She's reaching and kicking her legs. Look at her. She's reaching and look at her. Oh, she's got it. Oh, look at her. Look at her.
I taught her how to do it.
Yes, you did. You did, and she likes it. Look at her. She loves
Just
it.
pushing her feet. Look at Sakura.
Look at her. Christina taught her how to reach and play with those things, and she's going for them. She loves it.